Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Study Time. Let's start another video lecture number 2 of about Pakistan affairs. Now it's start from cultural history. Amir Khusrao's name is associated with the invention of sitar. The most famous court poet of Akbar was Abdul Rahim Khane Khana, which Mughal ruler is called Prince of Builders Shah Jahan. Sculpture of the Gandhara school reflect the influence of the Greeks. Which of the following was built by Akbar? Agra Fort. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. The Mughal painting reached its zenith during the reign of Jahangir. Gandhara School of Art was established in northwestern India. Taxila was famous site of Gandhara art. The structure of Qutub Minar was completed by Iltutmish. A famous history book in India was written in the 11th century by Al-Biruni. Which Sufi saint dargah is at Ajmer? Muinuddin Chishti. Gandhara School of Art developed during the time of Kushan's ruler. Buland Darwaza is situated in Fatehpur Sikri. Nishat Garden was built by Jahangir. Buland Darwaza built by Akbar is to commemorate the victory of Gujarat. The Mausoleum of Sher Shah is at Sasaram. Who among the following ruler banned music and dancing? Aurangzeb. Who among the following was great musician in the court of Akbar? Tansin. Fatehpur Sikri was founded by Akbar. Jama Masjid Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. Which of the following fort built by Akbar? Lahore Fort, Allahabad Fort, Agra Fort, all of these built by Akbar. Purana Killa Delhi was constructed during the reign of Humayun. The tomb of Babur is at Kabul. Qutub Minar was built by Qutubuddin Aibak. Jahangir Mahal is located in Agra Fort. The city of Agra was founded by Sikandar Lodi. The account of Babur's life, Tuzuk-e-Baburi, was written in Turkey. The capital of Mughal Empire was shifted from Agra to Delhi by Shah Jahan. The Peacock throne was made for Shah Jahan. The East India Company was founded in India during the reign of Jahangir. The Sikh Guru who was fought Mughal was Guru Gobind Singh. The Mughal Empire in India was founded by Zahiruddin Babur. When Akbar was young, his guardian was Behram Khan. The two Mughal rulers who wrote their own memoirs are Babur and Jahangir. The court language of Mughals was Persian. Who founded Din-e-Ilahi? Akbar. Babur laid the foundation of Mughal Empire in 1512, defeating Ibrahim Lodi. Din-e-Ilahi was accepted by Birbal. Babur won the first battle of Panipat mainly because of his military skills. The jizya was abolished by Akbar. Who introduced currency system in first time? Sher Shah Suri. Which Mughal emperor was the most secular in outlook? Akbar. Where did Babur die? Agra. Who installed the chain of justice? Jahangir. Before the rise of Ranjit Singh, Punjab was under the control of Marathas. In 1809, Maharaja Ranjit Singh signed a treaty with East India Company